Okay, so we'll start from there
Okay.
where we have left.
Okay.
So in our last class, we have discussed about products, right? So product and
Products and
product
products
options. Yeah,
options.
yeah.
Hmm.
So yeah, let me show you one product.
Okay. Gold support.
Yeah. So this is one product. Okay. And
Okay.
in that product, we have the related list. Okay.
Okay.
Where we have options.
Hmm. There is no options.
Yeah. So where we can add the option.
Yes.
Okay. So let me just do one thing. One second. So have you tried creating any options, product options?
Yes, I have created products and product options.
Okay. Any difficulties?
There is no difficulties. Actually, we have to select as per customer requirement.
Okay.
Means it's selected our minimum quantity, max quantity.
Yeah.
I have.
Okay. So okay. So let me just find out one bundle. If I could get any bundle. Okay. Looking at this product, can you say is it a bundle or not?
Ashit,
Hello.
Ashit, I have doubt. And this is Anil.
Your voice is
Honey,
echoing.
Echoing.
Yeah.
1 minute. Hello, Ashit.
Now it's fine.
Yeah, Ashit.
No.
2 days back, giving in some classwork. No.
Yeah.
Yeah, creating a products. But in products, I am not seeing in adding options also.
Mm-hmm.
But in edit lines, I am adding the product, but I am not seeing that products. Why?
Okay. Uh,
we
can you do? Can you share your screen and show it to me? Means after this class, we'll try
Okay,
to
if you
resolve.
don't mind, okay, if you don't mind, create one product in now in
Okay.
your
Yeah.
org.
You can
No,
tell me where you are facing the issue.
yeah,
okay.
sure. No,
Yeah. So let me create a new product. I will name it as bundle.
Okay.
in product family, I'm adding the pick list, dental, something like that. Whatever
Okay.
you give in product family,
Yeah.
I've added that.
No,
Okay,
okay.
sure.
So
Whatever it.
where you have created this one? Dental
Uh,
in the setup
Dental.
In
product
Yeah, yeah,
family. Fine.
product family. I'm
in
creating
the field, he has added one
dental.
pick list value
Yeah.
dental and added that products into that family.
Yeah. So now let's say hardware. I
Yes.
don't have
Okay, okay,
dental,
sure.
so let's talk
Yeah,
about hardware. Okay.
yeah, whatever.
Huh. So now I will make it as a bundle. Okay.
Add,
So
Yes.
allowed and
Okay, Lord.
always
Always.
save. Okay. After creating a product, my next step is
and
uh,
add the price book.
yes. So let's send the
Price.
price book 100.
Okay.
Now this is my product, standalone product. Now I will make it as a bundle. So I will add option.
Uh, Ashit, if you I'm not adding in price book. If I'm so you cannot see that product.
It,
No.
yes, we can't see the
Oh,
products in.
okay, okay. Sure, that's why I'm not. Okay, I'm understand.
Okay.
Sure.
Yeah.
No.
So whenever you are creating a product, you should add a price book. Three
Okay,
things.
Okay.
sure.
One is product should be active, product should have
Okay,
a
yes.
price book. Okay. And this
Yes.
component checkbox shouldn't be checked.
Okay, sure.
Okay. If component
Yeah.
checkbox is checked, then you can't see. If price book is not added, then you can't see. If product is not active, then you can't see in the code, in the product
Comment
section.
below. Yeah, in down,
Hmm?
down. Down,
component.
down.
Okay.
Yeah, no, no, down, down.
Hmm.
What is down?
Hmm.
Yeah, again, down. Yeah, what is log, description log like that?
Where?
True or in down? Yeah, yes. Log description is there, product description is there.
This one I will tell you. This one I will tell you what's the use. But now
Yeah,
means just yeah, see, product description means you are describing something about the product. It's my, let's say it's a laptop. So you
okay,
can add any description for this product. If you want to show the description, then don't log it.
okay.
If you don't want to see
So
the
don't
description, then log it.
log it. Okay,
Log description means flag this indicates the product description is logged, not editable
not
on the
ready.
code. That means this description will be logged, okay, and you can't edit it. Now, if you won't log it, that means you can edit it.
Okay,
Okay, so that is what. So now, let me go. So whenever you are getting the list from client, they will mention if you want to log the description, if you don't want. Okay,
okay,
so if you, they
Log the
if
description. Log the description means it will be not shown that, or it shows.
no, 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 you can't edit the, you just remember you can't edit.
Okay.
Okay, you can edit the description, that's it.
Okay.
Okay, it
If
is
it is,
means
if we
description
select,
is logged means, just like you remember, whenever we are doing the deployment, when we
Hmm,
are making the deployment checkbox as logged, that means no one can means do the deployment or let's do any changes, right? They can change
hmm,
anything on that deployment code or anything that is logged,
hmm.
right? So in Bitbucket or SBN we are doing it, locking that. So just like that, so we are adding a description and we are locking it. That means no one can change, no one can edit the
Okay.
description. So whatever is given, that is locked.
Okay.
Okay, so whenever it has given by the client in that Excel sheet, we can add it, otherwise we won't.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, so it's fine.
Fine.
So shall I proceed?
Yes.
Yeah, so now let's go to the option. Okay, I will explain about some more fields. Okay, so you know the difference between optional SKU and configured SKU.
Hmm.
Tell
Yes.
me, what is the difference? What is optional
Uh,
SKU?
Optional SKU means products. It is a child product for parent. Optional SKU
Mm. So this is the
and parent product.
parent or bundle product.
A bundle product and a parent product.
Yeah. So it can be a parent or bundle product. It can be a
Hmm.
child or your optional product. Product
Optional product.
option product. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. And number,
And number should be what is
display order.
mean sequence display
Yeah.
order.
Sequence. Yeah. Display order. Okay. Now
Hmm.
selected this checkbox. If I will
Uh,
check
eh,
this selected checkbox, then what will happen?
it will automatically select the product
In the
in bundle.
in the
Bundle.
bundle. Yeah. So in the
Yes.
configuration product page, configure product page.
Yeah. Yes. Configure project.
So configure product page, you will see automatically it is selected. That particular product
Yes.
option is selected. Now required. Required means
It required means it is they need to purchase
same means it
means
is automatically selected, but you can't unselect it. This one is
okay.
selected, but you can unselect.
Okay.
You means sales rep. Sales rep can select or unselect here, but here in this
Okay.
case, sales rep can't unselect it. This is
Okay.
compulsory, required. So that's
Compulsory
why
product.
you will see this is checked and grayed out. But this
Okay.
will you will see checked and blue color, and you can change
Okay.
it. But here you can't change it. That is the difference.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And quantity. So you can define a quantity. How many quantity of
Quantity.
product option you want.
Yes.
Okay. Now quantity editable. So what is quantity editable?
Means we can edit the quantity of the product
In the configuration product page, right?
and product. Yes.
Yeah. So quantity editable we are marking. Okay. Now
Uh,
minimum quantity. So what is this one?
Minimum quantity means how many products they want to purchase. Minimum they can purchase one or two.
Yeah. So let's say I put one. So that means minimum quantity for
They,
this product option should be one. It shouldn't be
1
below 1. So if I'll put
below 1.
5, so if means 5, then it shouldn't be below 5. The minimum
5.
should be 5. 5 and above whatever quantity you want. If you are not putting
Yes.
anything, then infinity means any number.
Infinity.
If you want to put any maximum quantity, let's say 9, then you can minimum you can have 5, maximum you can have
5.
9. More than 9,
9.
it won't allow.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the minimum and maximum quantity.
Maximum quantity.
Okay, now next option, pricing. Okay, so this bundled, we have seen what is this bundle checkbox do. What does this do? Bundle checkbox,
If you check the
Uh,
bundle box, price not is like free like that
free of cost, you mean to say.
yeah cost.
So it means this bundle checkbox, if we have checked it, that means for this particular product option, you can see that in the quote line it is included.
Yes.
You won't see the price, but you will see the included and net price will be 0. That means
mm,
it is this product option is included in the product bundle.
bundle.
Okay, and this bundle checkbox you can see in product option, not in the product.
Okay.
Okay, bundled means let's say flower bundle. Okay, with flower bundle you are bundling some other let's say fruits. Okay, so fruit is a bundled product of flower.
Mm.
You are purchasing a bouquet. Okay,
Okay.
bouquet
Mm.
for the means you are going to your means friend's marriage, you are purchasing a bouquet. Okay,
Okay.
in that bouquet you are also let's say means purchasing some extra one rose. Okay,
Okay.
and that rose, that guy will say, means seller will say, shopkeeper will say, okay, you can take it free of cost. That means that rose flower he is bundling with the bouquet. Okay, so
Okay.
that's why
Okay.
that rose flower he is not means making any cost, or he is not taking any money from you. So that means that
Okay.
rose flower is bundled with that bouquet. Okay, so
Okay.
always product option is bundled with the product bundle, with the product. Okay, so bundled option is present in where? Product or product option?
Product option.
Yeah, and component checkbox is present where? Product or product option?
Component check the product option. Product.
Remember until
Yeah, product.
product. Okay,
Product.
fine.
Mm.
Yeah, I will ask like this. Okay,
Mm.
okay. So now this discounting and all these things we will see later. But
Okay.
let me talk about unit price. So if you are
Mm.
defining any unit price here,
Mm.
okay, you are defining a unit price for this particular product option.
Okay.
This is product option, right?
Yes.
Huh. So now two types of price we have seen as of now. One is
Yes.
standard price book price. Now here
Second
we
one
can
is
see unit price.
okay.
Okay. Now let's say we are creating a product option. Product option is nothing but a product only.
Yes.
Okay. So it's another product only. So whenever you are creating a product, you are defining a product price book price.
Yes.
Okay. Now price book price you have defined, let's say $100, and here you are defining $30 or let's say $130, whatever, 1300 or
Okay.
whatever you are defining. So this price whenever you are adding in the bundle, whenever you are
Okay.
adding this product option in the bundle, this price will take the priority.
Okay.
Okay, this price will take the priority. I will explain you in the pricing rule.
Okay.
But remember, product option price always take priority over the product price.
Okay.
This always take the priority, product option price.
Okay.
Okay, now discounting I will tell about during our discounting schedule thing.
Bye.
Yeah, component code, this is actually whenever you are means placing any means code for any product, we have code, right? So if you have gone to Ratnadeep or any more shop or anywhere shop, big bazaar, you will see
Okay.
they will scan the product and automatically the product code will appear there in their screen.
Yes.
Okay, so that is the product code. This is the product code.
Okay.
Okay, so how we will define,
Uh,
how
okay.
we will define a product code. Okay, I will tell you
Yeah.
how to define a
Okay.
product code. Okay, so
Okay.
now anything else here to define? Okay, that's it. So you remember these options, whatever I have told you. Okay,
Mm.
so I will tell. Okay, so product option is clear, right? I will go to the feature
Yes.
thing.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm. Okay.
yeah, we will means after feature, I will tell you how to create a product code.
Okay.
Okay, so now let's go to the feature. Okay, now you tell me the answer. Whenever I'm creating a bundle, okay,
Okay.
what are the means what are the minimum things I require to create a not two, what are the minimum thing I require to create a bundle in the related list?
In the related list means
To
we can
create a
add the
bundle, huh,
Options will be
we
required.
can
which one is it required?
Options.
Correct,
options.
correct. Yeah,
Next futures like that.
yeah. So option is required. Okay, but
Option is
feature is not required.
okay.
That means without feature also you can create a bundle. So feature is not compulsory or mandatory to create a bundle. To create a
Okay.
bundle, option is mandatory because option is
Mandatory
nothing but itself a product.
product.
It's a child product, but it's a product only. So whatever you will see in the product list, from there only anyone you can select in the product option.
Mm.
Correct. So whenever
Correct.
I'm creating a product option, whenever I'll be creating a product option, here it will show me a lookup, search products.
Mm.
Okay, so if I'll click here, I will see all the products whichever is present in the product object,
Okay. Okay.
right?
Okay.
So from there I can select and I can add. Okay, so product option is nothing but a product itself. So
Mm.
product for creating a bundle option is mandatory. Now next is feature. Then if feature is not mandatory, then what is feature? You remember this question, means in interview they will ask to create a bundle, how to create a bundle, and to create a bundle if feature is compulsory or not, means necessary or not. You would say no, feature is not compulsory or necessary, without feature also we can create a bundle, but option is mandatory.
Mandatory.
Okay, so what is then feature? Means what is the feature is for a product? Okay, means what does this feature mean? Okay, let me give you one example. Let's say mouse. Okay, you are purchasing a mouse. There are two types
Okay.
of mouse available. One is wired mouse, another one is wireless mouse,
Wireless mouse.
right? Bluetooth with Bluetooth or data cable, or means anything you are just connecting your mouse, so that is wireless. One is
Wireless.
wired, one is wireless. So this wired and wireless mouse, okay, there are two types of product options you have.
Okay.
Okay, now means I will say, let define a feature for that mouse. Okay, so
Okay.
connectivity I will made if I means I will create a feature called connectivity. Okay, connectivity mouse, or let's say connectivity. Inside connectivity
Okay.
I will define these two mouse options. One is wired and one
Wire.
another one is wireless mouse.
Okay.
Okay, so let's say another example. uh, we have a product list here.
Okay.
Okay, I will show you this product. Now we have CPU 1.1, 1.2, 1.6.
1.6.
Okay, there are many varieties of CPU. Wow, too many CPUs. These many CPUs we have. But I will define a feature. Feature name I will tell it CPU.
Okay.
Okay, so CPU I will define as a feature, and inside that CPU I will add these options. Okay, so what exactly feature means? Feature means it's the
ಅಮ್ಮ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಫೋನ್
characteristic
ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
of the product. Characteristic or specialization, you can say. Okay, so feature is not a product. Feature is not an actual product. Feature is the characteristic of the product. Understood? So RAM, you will create a feature called RAM. Inside RAM, you will add means RAM three third means to 1 TB, 2 TB, 4 TB hard disks. You will create one feature called hard disk, hard drive. There you will
Okay.
create 4 TB, 5 TB, or 1 TB like that.
Okay.
Okay, so that is a characteristic of product, not actual product. Actual product is product and product option. So that's why
Okay.
feature is not compulsory. Any doubt?
Once again, can you please tell me about future?
Yeah, feature is the characteristic of the product. It is not the actual product. So that's why whenever we are creating a bundle, feature is not compulsory thing. Okay, feature is the
Okay.
characteristic of the product. So that means, for example, let's say we are having multiple hard drive of 1 TB, hard drive of 2 TB, hard drive of 3 TB, but feature is hard drive.
Okay.
His characteristic
Uh,
is hard drive only, right?
yes, yes. If we take a hard disk, we have 512 MB, 1 TB, 2 TB, 3 TB hard disk. Are there. The hard drive is the future,
Feature.
but
Products
products
are
are different.
1 TB, 2 TB, those things.
2
Yeah.
TB. Okay.
Okay. So just like say, I will let me rename it to it's a laptop. One second. It will be more understandable to you. Let's say laptop bundle. Okay. I will
Okay.
name it as laptop bundle. Inside laptop bundle, you have
Already
also
we have a
changes.
laptop desktop bundle is there. Okay.
So just I will name it as laptop bundle. Okay. Just
Okay.
okay. Take it as a desktop bundle. Okay. Any laptop or
Okay.
desktop bundle, system bundle. I will create
Okay.
one option here.
Okay.
Okay. So new.
Mouse.
Let's add the CPU.
Uh,
CPU 1.6 number one inside bundle. Okay. That's it. Save. Okay. Now next. There is one more feature in type, means in product option, that is type. I will tell you type and quote line visibility. I will tell you.
oh,
Okay, after feature, I will
okay.
tell you today only.
Actually,
So
no, it's okay.
okay,
Still now your screen is not visible.
okay. Now it's fine.
In free. Now it's fine.
Okay, now CPU 2.8 gigahertz. Number two.
Mm,
Okay, now save a
mm,
new.
mm,
Then CPU 1.2.2 gigahertz. Number is
mm.
three. Save a new. Three CPUs I have added. Hard drive, let's
Okay.
add. SSD hard drive 1.2 GB. I will name as 4. Save a new. Then hard drive number is 5. 7. Save. Okay. These 5 products I have added as a product option. Okay.
Okay.
Now for this 3 CPU, I will create one feature. And for this 2 hard drive, I will create a feature. Okay. So I will go back to the product bundle. Sorry, I clicked on a product.
Actually, your screen is in. Okay. Means
I
it is
think you have connected
not.
to mobile networks, right? You have connected through mobile
Yes.
network. That's why your
Yes.
means lagging.
Okay.
Now can you see the laptop bundle?
Yes. Laptop bundle.
Yeah. Anil, for you, is it visible
Yes,
properly?
yes, yes. I
Yeah.
am in the Wi-Fi
Okay. So
internet.
option I have added 5. Now for feature I
Okay.
will add. Okay. So I will add new. Now you can see the difference. Whenever I am adding the feature name, is there any search products or anything it is coming?
No,
See, configured SKU is there. Any optional SKU? No, right?
No.
But it is giving a text box and it is asking us to put the name, right? So that means we can put any name. So I will add it as a CPU feature. Okay, I will give it
Okay.
one and this will be under this laptop bundle. That's it. Okay. Now save. Okay, another feature I will create. I will name it as hard drive. Okay, number I will give 2. Okay, so I have created 2 feature and 5 options. Let me go back to the options. Okay, and I will go one by one. So now we have a field in the option where you can add the feature.
Okay.
Okay, so I will add the feature. This is CPU, so I will try to search the CPU feature. Yes, I got the CPU feature, so I will add it inside CPU feature. Save. Okay, now let's go back to the second one. So this is CPU. So where I will add? Tell me the feature name.
Feature name hard drive.
This is CPU. This is CPU
Yes.
product. So where I will add? Hardware or CPU?
Uh,
This is CPU product. So CPU product will be under CPU only, na? Hardware product will be
yes.
under hardware. Shall I explain again?
Yeah, no, what are the futures you have there
It's
in the
not future.
CPU?
It's
Like the,
feature. Feature.
yeah,
Huh.
future.
Huh.
Feature. What are the features you have under the CPU? Like that, in CPU, you have the many features, like the many features, like the RAM or hard disk. Whatever you add, it is a optional. Is like type of optional features.
Now in this case, okay. In this case, tell me what is the bundle name?
Bundle name,
Laptop
the
bundle.
Laptop bundle.
laptop.
Okay. What are the options I have added?
Uh,
I have added
Options means
three CPUs,
C,
three CPU varieties,
three
and
piece.
2 hard disk varieties.
yeah,
Yes.
Total 5 options I have added. Now these 3 CPU varieties, I will put it under CPU feature, and 2 hard drive we have, I will put it under hard drive feature. So this is one product
Okay.
option, right? The product option name is CPU 2.8. So I will add it in under CPU.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now I will go back again. Let me select this hard drive. So you tell me where I will add
Future.
this
Means
feature.
that product
Means what feature I will select here for this hard drive feature, for this hard drive option?
hard drive.
Or
Hard drive. So I have created hard drive, right? Now let me go back again. I will select this hard drive. This is also a hard drive product option. Okay, now I want to add the feature, means I want to keep it inside which feature? Hard drive feature. As this is a hard drive, so I will add it inside hard drive only. Okay, so let me show you the product. This is my bundle. Okay, laptop bundle. I will click here. Now I could see how many features I have. 2 features. What are the features? CPU
CPU.
Uh,
and hard drive.
and a hard drive.
Correct. Now what are how many options I have? 5 options.
Fine.
3
5 options.
CPU and 2 hard
2
drive.
hard drives.
Okay. Now this is my product bundle. Okay. All means all options are or should be under the features. If there are features, then
Okay.
you should keep the options inside the feature.
Okay.
Okay, so CPU feature contains these 3 CPU options.
Okay.
Hard drive feature contains these 2 hard drive feature.
Okay.
Okay, understood or any doubt? Tell me, ask me.
Nothing.
I will
Understood.
explain again.
Shit,
No.
can
Hmm.
you record this session?
It's recording.
Already
Okay.
recorded.
Recording is on. Hmm.
Okay.
Any doubt between feature
No.
and
No.
options? Which one is compulsory to create a bundle?
Op-
Option.
Options.
Options. Okay, feature is not compulsory and mandatory. Now I have created this bundle and I have defined the feature and options. Now second thing is, okay, I have even created the price,
Hmm.
and I have created these two things, configuration type and configuration event.
Yes.
These two are required for configuration of product for a bundle. Allowed and always. Okay, I have put. Now, how I will add this in the code? I will go to a code. Okay, let's say this is our code. I will click on edit line.
Okay.
Okay, there are some products already present. I will let me delete those products.
Okay.
Okay, so let's say this is a blank code. There I will add the product. So my bundle is laptop
Laptop.
bundle, right?
Laptop bundle.
Yeah. So now let me select laptop bundle. Where is laptop bundle? Can you see?
Hold on.
Check it. Search box products.
This one, laptop bundle.
Yes.
Okay,
Hmm.
select. Okay, now I can see the configuration product. Why this screen is showing or visible? And what I
Uh,
will do so that this screen won't be visible?
In CPU,
Sorry, I clicked here.
Here we have options to means hard drive and CPUs.
No, that configuration product will be visible only if you define configuration event
Feature.
and configuration type.
Okay.
Okay, so allowed and always I have given.
yes.
Hmm.
Okay, let me edit it. Configuration type I will select none. This is also none. Save it. Now let me
Okay.
add this product in the code.
Okay.
Okay, this is, let's say this is the code. Edit line always. Okay, to add the product, edit line. Okay, let me delete these products and
Okay.
I will add the laptop bundle. Okay, this is my laptop bundle. Now that configuration product page should appear after this. Select, but direct code line. See, code page is, there is no configuration at product page, because on the product label, what I have done, the configuration event and
Yes.
configuration type I have selected as none.
No.
Understood?
Understood.
This is one more interview question they will ask. Suppose, means it happens in our project also. So means product management team is there, they are not able to see the configuration, or let's say sales rep, they are not able to see the configuration product page. Okay, so
Okay.
in that case, I means we used to directly means open that product. Okay, laptop bundle, and we used to blindly check these two options, whether these two options are there or not, means whether any value is defined for these two options or not. If it is means it is not defined, that means you can't see the configuration product page. So
Okay.
you, if you'll define this one, you can see the configuration product. Now let me define this configuration type as always, allowed and always.
We can not selected anything in configuration type and configuration event. What should happen?
I showed you, right? I haven't selected anything.
Um.
You can't see the
Okay. Okay.
configuration
Okay.
page, right?
Yes.
After
Yes.
selecting that product,
Right.
adding that product, you
Uh,
can't see the configuration page directly, it is redirecting to code page if you won't select
yes.
anything here. If you will select allowed and always or any value, then when you will add the code, when you will add the product in the code, you will see the configuration product page in between.
Okay.
You should try with these two options. Try with required,
Config-
none, all these options you
uh,
tried, all the permutation combinations, what is happening you see.
okay.
Okay,
Okay.
you note down this thing, try with configuration type and
We should
configuration
type
event.
and configuration event. Yes, I
Yeah,
have noted down.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now let me delete lines, add products. Okay, now I will select the bundle. Now select, Previously it was directly redirecting to code page. Now, but I can see the configuration product page where I can configure.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, Anil, clear? Anil is there?
Yeah, yeah, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I
Now you tell
understood.
me, what is this CPU? What is this hard drive?
Yeah, it is the futures,
These are the features.
futures
Okay.
Features.
of CPU and SSD.
Yeah. So how many product options we have added for laptop bundle?
Uh, Products, two products will be added.
No, 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 no. How many product
Five
options?
products.
5 product options
Five
we have
product
added.
options.
Okay, five options.
Okay. We have
Five
added
options.
5 options,
Five.
right? 5 options. And for 4, I have defined means feature. I have kept
Yes,
it inside feature. But for 1, I haven't kept it in under the feature. I think this one, I guess.
CPU combined. No futures here.
No feature, right?
Yes.
Where is that feature? Oh, sorry, I clicked on the product. I should click on the product option.
One
This
future.
feature is blank.
Blank.
Other 4 I have defined. Okay. So as I have kept it blank, so by
Hmm.
default, it went into other option feature.
There are options. Yes.
See. Okay. So if you won't define any feature by default, Salesforce CPQ will keep all those product option in other options feature. You remember
Okay.
other options feature. Okay. So I have defined 2 features, CPU and hard drive, and I have kept
Okay.
these 2 product option under CPU and these 2 hard drive options under hard drive. But one CPU I haven't defined any feature. So by default, it went inside
Okay.
other options feature.
Okay.
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 And this is the configuration product
Okay.
page. Okay. Now let me save this.
Okay.
Now I am getting the error. Why? Too few options selected in CPU. That means it is saying choose at least one of the following.
Yeah.
So you
Without
should select
selecting.
at least one.
Yes.
Okay. Here nothing is saying. Just like
Yeah.
this, choose at least one of the following. Here is it something you are seeing? No, right? So let me not select
Oh,
this one, and with these 2 options I will try to save. Let me see. It's allowing me to save. Okay. Now this is my bundle, laptop bundle, and this bundle contains CPU 1.6 and hard drive this.
okay.
Okay. Now this is the bundle. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, I understood.
Okay. The feature and the options, product options. You understood, right? Now, as I
Yes.
have kept this configuration attribute as allowed always, so that's why I can see it is even allowing me to reconfigure the line. So I, after save means adding the product in the code, I can even go back to the configuration product and I can change my mind to select other
Change.
products and I can save.
Okay.
So allowed and always. That means it will always allowed to do the configuration. That means after adding also it will means give you the permission to change the configuration product. Even editing also means configure and reconfigure. I told you, right? Always means edit plus add.
Hmm.
Okay, so that's why
Edit plus.
add. So
Okay.
configure and reconfigure both. It will allow you means allow always. Okay. In real
Okay.
cases means in real time project we used to keep it as allowed and always because sales rep can
Okay.
do the configuration even after adding it in the code.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the product option and feature.
Fusions.
Okay, feature, option and feature. Okay, now one more thing I will tell. Let me go back to the product. My product is laptop bundle. Okay, now let me open one feature, that is CPU feature. Okay,
Okay.
so I kept the feature name, number, display number, minimum option is 1. Okay, So that's why it is giving, means at least one you should select, right?
Yes.
And the laptop bundle. Now maximum option also I can select. So maximum how many means the options you can select. So if you select two,
One on.
let's say two. So in the
Okay.
CPU you have two CPUs you have added. You remember that configuration product page. There are two
Okay.
options inside the CPU feature, right? So you have to select means you can select maximum two. More if you,
Okay.
let's say in the configuration product you have five and maximum options you have selected two. Here you have defined
Okay.
two. So in that configuration product you can select maximum up to two product, not five product.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so that is what the means maximum minimum option. Okay, this is feature category.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
so that means let's say there are, means what it is saying, assign this feature to a category such that multiple features with related options are grouped together. That means let's say you have CPU feature and hard disk,
Hard drive.
hard drive feature, two features. Let's say you are means adding a category like, let's say laptop or system. Okay, so this you are typing here system,
Okay.
or what is, okay, hardware. So this is hardware category. Okay, pick list. Okay, I am selecting CPU for hardware category.
Okay.
Okay, now save. Okay, we will see what is happening now. Option selection method, this is one selection method. So this is a pick list. Okay, where you can see click, add, dynamic. Okay, so let me select click. Okay, this dynamic option filter, those it is dependent on this dynamic one. If you select dynamic, then this is dependent on this one, this dynamic. Okay, so I will tell in our means one of the product rule, filter product rule is there. I will tell that
Okay.
here. Okay, so click, I will
Okay.
select. Okay, on discounting, let's say I'm not selecting anything. So click and hardware I have selected for CPU. Let me go back to the next feature, that is hard drive. Okay, another feature is hard drive. Okay, so category I will select as software, and option selection method, let's say add. Okay, and save. Now let me go back to the code and edit line, delete lines, add product. Okay, I will add the bundle, select. Now you can see something different, right?
Yes.
Earlier it was CPU, here hard drive, and other options were there, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Now you can see there are hardware, software, other, like that it is coming. And under hardware you can see CPU. If you click on software you can see hard drive, and other you can see the other one, right?
Okay.
So how it looks like, you know, means and even why, because you have defined the category. So now feature is also having a category. So under hard drive category you are having the CPU feature. Under software feature category you are having the hard drive feature, and other you are having other options.
Yes.
Okay, so now hardware, you have selected click, right? So this is click. Okay, and software you have selected, and under hard drive you have selected add. So
Hmm.
that's why this add options are coming. If add options you will select, means you will click, then you can see the two product options. Then you can select either one or two or whatever, then add.
Okay.
Okay, and other I haven't done anything. So that's why it is showing like this. You remember? So hardware click means you are just clicking and selecting. Software add option means add means it will show you the add options. Okay, and these are the
Okay.
category: hardware category, software category, and you can define your own category for feature.
Okay.
Okay, you understood the feature and
I,
options.
ye- yes, Asit.
Okay, so should I explain you about product code today or next class?
Uh,
Tomorrow
yes, Arshit. I have the interview. I'm
Okay,
preparing
yeah.
some.
Okay, fine.
we can
Yeah,
we can continue.
tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Okay.
no
Okay.
problem. Okay,
Thank you,
thank you.
Arshit.
All
Thank you.
the very best, Anil.
Yeah, thank
Thank
you.
Yeah, okay. Chalo, bye.
Can you